We need to assemble. Tree spade. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Tree spade. Ready. Let's temporarily dig up the trees. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Front end loader. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Front end loader. Done. Let's prepare the construction site and the foundation pit. Now we need to wash it clean. Front end loader. We did it! We need to assemble. Dumper. Done! Filling. Dumper. Amazing! Let's prepare the aggregates for the concrete. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Don't stop. You're doing well. We need to assemble. Cement mixer. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Cement mixer. Keep up the good work. Let's finish building the basement and install the stairs. Let's wash. Cement mixer. We did it! We need to assemble. Concrete pump. Done. Filling. Concrete pump. Keep up the good work. Let's make the first floor. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Don't stop. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Let's get rid of formwork and place the tiles. We need to wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Crane truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Crane truck. Don't stop. Let's build the first floor's walls. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Amazing! You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Done! We have to assemble. Lift crane. Keep up the good work. First, we have to fill it. Lift crane. Keep it up. Let's bring and install the hospital equipment. Now we need to wash it clean. Lift crane. We did it! We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Let's set up the frame and build the roof. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Ready. Hooray! We need to assemble. Cherry picker truck. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Cherry picker truck. Done! Let's finish up the front of the hospital. We need to wash. Cherry picker truck. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Move the vehicle onto its place. Ready. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! First we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Hooray! Let's install all the doors and windows. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Don't stop. We did it! We need to assemble. Roller. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Roller. Keep it up. Let's construct a road to the hospital. Now we need to wash it clean. Roller. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Ambulance. Done! Now we need to fill it. Ambulance. Keep up the good work. Let's replant the trees and make a courtyard. construction of the modern hospital is complete. Let everyone be healthy. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Done.